Here in part C, if I do direct substitution of x equals 5, I get 0 over 0, which is an indeterminate form. So that means I can do some algebraic manipulation. The numerator has a GCF of x, and the denominator factors to be x plus 7, x minus 5, and now I have a common factor that cancels out. So now I can do direct substitution, 5 over 12. And last but not least on this page, if I plug in 7 for direct substitution, I get 0 over 0, indeterminate form. That tells me to do some algebraic manipulation. So for this type of problem, including radicals, I'm going to multiply by the conjugate of my numerator. So I'll have square root of x plus 2 minus 3 multiplied by its conjugate. And the conjugate on bottom as well, so I don't change the value of this ratio. So now what I'm going to do is use a difference of squares pattern. This is a minus b times a plus b, and that will always multiply to be a squared minus b squared. So that means that this becomes x plus 2 minus 9 all over x minus 7 square root x plus 2 plus 3. So now this becomes x minus 7 over x minus 7 square root x plus 2 plus 3. And I see now this common factor cancels. So now that I've manipulated this, this is the limit as x approaches 7 of 1 over square root x plus 2 plus 3. If I do direct substitution, that is 1 over 6.